The Indian Space Research Organization has successfully completed the second integrated airdrop test for its Gaganyaan mission. The test was conducted at Sriharikota and it is an important step to ensure the safe recovery of the crew module. The crew module is the compartment in which astronauts sit during a human space flight. This system helps ensure safe re-entry and landing. Union Minister for Science and Technology and Earth Sciences, Jitendra Singh, congratulated ISRO for successfully conducting the test. The second test follows the successful completion of the first integrated airdrop test, which was conducted on August 24, 2025 at the Satish Dhawan Space Center. Airdrop tests recreate the final stage of a spacecraft returning to Earth. During these tests, an aircraft or helicopter drops the spacecraft from a certain height. This helps scientists test different systems under various conditions. These include testing parachute deployment if a mission is aborted mid-flight, checking system performance if one parachute fails to open, and ensuring the spacecraft's proper orientation and safety during splashdown in the sea. During the first airdrop test, a 4.8-ton dummy crew model was dropped from a height of 3 kilometers using a Boeing CH-47 Chinook helicopter. After the module was released, a parachute system consisting of 10 parachutes was deployed. This helped slow down the capsule and ensured a safe splashdown in the sea. The successful completion of the second airdrop test marks another important milestone for ISRO and brings India closer to sending astronauts into space under the Gaganyaan mission.